Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a demonstration model for the windmill. Here when it comes to you, this will be separate. You have to screw it and tight it, then it is ready to use. It has a motor here, one wheel, showing you that the wheel will be moving by the wind like this, and then this motor will generate the power, and it can be seen here in the meter. And if you move it even slowly, you can see the sensitivity of the meter. The power is generated. You can see this at the coastal areas or at the hill station where the lot of air is blowing. So here we can show you the electricity is being produced in the form of LEDs also. You can see these LEDs also. They will be faster than you can see the LED. But the meter is sensitive. You can just see by just very small movement that the power is generated. In the actual, wind is very useful, and it is being used to generate the power. So here are the models available with us on the website abronexports.com. WhatsApp number is 99922222049. Our email is abron01@gmail.com. Visit the website, like the video, share the video. These are for schools and college demonstration. We have got the different models of different things. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the videos. Thank you.